Please don't die. Alright guys, so I posted on my Instagram that you should ask me questions. That was 23 minutes ago, so where go? Sweet D360 says, hi Sweet D. Lord help my mind. Hi, would you do makeup tutorial for beginners? I don't know how I should answer that. I think I'm going to say yes, and then that will be my next video, because I think my tutorials are beginner friendly. You, if I'm wrong, just tell me I'm wrong, boo. But I think my tutorials are beginner friendly. If not, and you're a beginner going, no they're not, just tell me what you would like to see then as a beginner in the description bar. So Lady Clark says, by the way, this eye look is a collab with my Lady Clark. So Lady Clark says, what advice would you give someone just starting a YouTube makeup channel? Alright, so let me start with that because a lot of them shots. Yeah, what advice I'd give? I'd say just be yourself, be as natural as possible. Do not try to imitate anybody. Do not try and go out there and buy different products that everybody have, but work with what you have. I work with what I have. I won't lie to you. Sometimes I'm watching videos and I'm like, Lord, I really wish I could buy that, or damn, I wish I could afford that, or man, I wish I could, you know. But work with what you have, boo. Work with what you have. But I'll just say the first thing is to stay true to you and what you want to bring to YouTube. When and how do you see growth within your channel? You see growth within your channel when you have reached a sense of accomplishment. If you look at subscribers and views, you will never feel like you've accomplished. You'll have to feel that sense of accomplishment for yourself, like, oh, I've started my channel, or oh, I have 1 subscriber, yay, oh my gosh, I have 100 views, oh my god, I have 700 subscribers. I don't know how I'm going to, you know what I mean? So it will have to be all about you. It can't be about the views, it can't be about the subscribers, it can't be about the free stuff, it can't be about promoting for this company. You have to feel a sense of accomplishment in and of yourself. Isn't Lady Clark just the best supporter ever? LOLs. Yes, she is. She most definitely is the best supporter ever. So Tashoy Renee says, what are your goals 5 years from now? Alright, what are my goals 5 years from now? 5 years from now, I have to have my car, whether it be my dream car, my dream first car, which is a Toyota Fortuner, or my dream luxury car, which is a Mercedes Benz. Either the Range Rovers have been looking nice to me, but I saw a Benz this morning on the hill and I'm like, that is it. That is my dream luxury car, a Mercedes Benz, a white Mercedes Benz, 2-door, 4-door, I don't know, but a white Mercedes Benz. And Pomi just completely successful in of its own, where we can order thousands upon thousands of brushes, lashes, belts. I see the company growing. We can hire more and more people. We can create jobs for people. So that's why I say business sense. Music wise, I see myself already have an album out, or 2 album, or no, 1 album out, 2 5 years, yeah, 2 album out. I see myself promoting that, going to different, whether Caribbean islands or across the world, just promoting my songs. And so I said that, so while Pomi's being run out here without me having to be out here shipping, writing up, doing that hands-on work, you know, the guys will take care of that, and then I can go about and just probably travel, be with music, the photo shoots, video shoots on locations. So that's what I say. Then she says, how did you start off making YouTube videos, and how did you build a huge following? I started off making YouTube videos by watching, I'll always say this, Julia Graff. Her name now is on YouTube, but her name at first was Mischievous, and I just watched what she did. Remember when those palettes were rocking the place, like the Cosa Sense looking palettes with that the small pans, and they were like 8 palettes, you know, those ones. When those used to rock the place, like, I used to watch her videos for that, and I used to be amazed at what she can do with color, with how she works. Her eyes were always so beautifully done and so damn creative, and I fell out whenever I saw her. I was like, yo, you are goals. And because of watching her, I was like, you know, I can do this. I can start a YouTube channel. So I did. Building a huge following, took me 6 or 7 years to get to where I am now, it has taken people 1 year to get to 1 million subscribers. And okay, this is where I hope I don't come off sounding ungrateful, but in terms of where I think my channel would be, I'm extremely unhappy. That's why I said earlier on the question, you can't watch it, but it's a factor. I think for what I bring to the table, for everything that I do, that I would have more subscribers. There are a lot of trends that I've started here on YouTube. Hold on, what the flip? What was that? There's a lot of trends that I've seen, a lot of trends that I have started here. Yeah, lots of trends that I've started here on YouTube. There are lots of things that I have, a lot of Jamaican YouTubers, makeup YouTubers can tell you, yo, I lyric me start my YouTube video them in the dog now, like me say the girl that hustling from bunk bed days, and I catch my camera, my Fuji camera up on the windowsill and have my compact behind it so I can see whether or not I'm in focus. That's how far I'm coming from now to graduate to this. So when I'm saying it to you now and I'm looking back, I'm like, God damn, you've grown, boo boo. No, you have grown. And to see you guys, like whenever I go, somebody will say, yo, lyric, yo, ashi, yo, and it's just, and you know what, I'm sorry for almost being ungrateful. It's an amazing feeling knowing that I can encourage people, knowing that it's probably because of me why some of you even start a YouTube channel. And know some of you are close to 1,000 subscribers, close to, I don't know, 20,000, I don't know, but you guys are close to a huge milestone yourself, and that means a lot to me. You know, it does. It does. And I'm going to go as far and say it's not always about the subscribers and subscriber count. It will throw you, but just reflect on where you're coming from, like what just happened to me right now in this video. Reflect on where you're coming from and where you are now, and mama, you've grown. You have grown, boo. So don't ever be discouraged because of that, and don't let that one thing that you can't attain distract you from everything else that you already have, you know. Yeah, so Zodi.xx says, you are so beautiful without makeup. I don't care why people are so judgmental, but I see you have spots like me. Hate them. Any suggestions on what to get rid of them in terms of products that you use? I am going to be filming an acne video, but it's because I'm here at home and I leave all my filming equipment here at home. I won't be recording up by my grandma anymore. I'm going to keep everything here, and I have a regime that I want to film for you guys, and I want to go have an in-depth video talking about my acne and talking about what I did to get to where it is now, because it's not better at all, but I can see a visible difference. And I'm truly grateful for that, and I can attribute at least 50, 60, 70% of that to my new diet, because you know I'm on this weight loss journey. I've lost 21 pounds. I weighed myself today. Today is the 23rd, and I weighed myself this morning, and after I had food in me, and I was 157 pounds. So I've lost 22 pounds so far. Yeah, so yeah, what were we talking about? Products to use. Yes, so I'll be having a video coming up is what I wanted to say. Will you be doing more classes in the States, US? Yes, I will be. Let me tell you why I didn't come up this year. I did not come up this year because I wanted to kind of spread my wings out here first in Jamaica, go to Ochi, go to Montego Bay, go to wherever, just do like a complete island tour, then I go abroad. But it started out on a rocky, and I can be honest with you guys, right? It started out on a rocky because I wanted to kick off the Mobay tour as the start of my my new classes, like my prestigious classes, meaning having everything personalized, giveaway, goodie bags, makeup kits. That's what I wanted to do. So because of that, there was a price increase, and because of the price increase, we got some people registering, but I had to give them the money back because I wasn't getting the amount of people I expected to, and I don't want to sound ungrateful, but it wasn't a lot. Just take that for what you wanted, but it just wasn't a lot, and I would have ended up losing money than gaining. So That's why I had cancelled the Montego Bay one, but I want to do a pop-up, like a 2-day boot camp in Kingston, and I'll probably take that 2-day boot camp in Montego Bay as well. So I want to do Kingston in August, and I want to do Montego Bay in November, and then Kingston again, or probably another place in December. But I want to do 3 here in Jamaica first, locally, before next year, and before I go away, as well as yeah, so next year 2017, that's when I really want to travel. That's when I really want to come back to the US and just share what I've learned again with you guys. I want to have manuals on deck. I want to have banners. I want to have everything situated. So I want to do that out here first and then come to you guys abroad. In Jamaica we have a proverb saying you have to dance a yard before you dance abroad, meaning you have to kind of get your feet wet out here first, get a little situated, accustomed, then you can go abroad and do what you need to do, in that case to the US. And I just don't want to go to the US. I've been to Curacao. Curacao is the first place I've ever been to outside of my country, and I love Curacao. If I have any subscribers in Curacao, please let me know, because I'd love to come over there and to just chill with you guys, probably have like a hangout or whatever. I'd love to come back to Curacao. The food in if I ever go to Curacao, that would be a cheat week. Do you hear me? The food in Curacao is killer. Shopping in Curacao is baby. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to delete this post now off of my Instagram. So I hope this video, I hope you guys like it. It's a different video, and I don't know if you guys recognize, but what I do know is that I have started uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturdays are reserved for makeup tutorials only, and Tuesday and Thursdays where you get a different video, whether it be a haul, whether it be a haul or some other kind of video. But that's what Tuesdays and Thursdays are reserved for, and then Saturdays are reserved for makeup tutorials. And up until now I have tons and tons of makeup tutorials. So yeah, so that's basically it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for sending in your questions, Lady Clark. This is all you babos, our collab baby. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. And if the collab is live, because I don't know if it's going to be live. No, it won't be live. I don't know. If it's live, I'll link it in the description bar below. If it's not, you can look out for it for Saturday. So Saturdays are my makeup tutorials. And I want to tell you guys thank you for showing my tutorials so much love. I realized that since I started uploading them once a week, they've been getting more views, and I'm in love with that. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your support. We are 150,000 plus subscribers, and I could not have done it without you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Follow me on Snapchat and of course Instagram and everywhere else, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Oh, so pretty. I love these lashes. These lashes are bae.